Just a word about a couple of other players. Gareth Bale, obviously, Real Madrid going for trophies on 3 fronts. Scored a couple of goals the other night, but still comes in for criticism. I suppose that's a sign of where he's at and the level of scrutiny that comes with playing for Real Madrid.
Yeah, I think, people really look at him and he's an easy target because he's the most expensive player in the world. But you've got to look at the return he's given Madrid. He didn't do it. People won't look and talk about he was injured, he never had a pre-season. And to go to a club like Madrid for that fee with that pressure, the return's been fantastic, you have to say that. And the people who are digging him out, and he's an easy story. Unfortunately, negativity, people want to read about negativity or most of it's nonsense. But you look at the goals he scored, look at how he's helped Ronaldo, his assists. They lost the big game to Barcelona and Bale had a quiet game, but so did a lot of the players from Madrid. Nothing else is said except for Bale. Gareth's all right, he can live with that. But overall, his return this season for Madrid, fantastic.